Hi guys, welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. Today I'm showing how I make my cheesy beef lasagna, which is perfect to bring to your next party. I like to start off by heating up some olive oil, and then I add my garlic, onions, and red chili flakes. You're gonna saute this until the onions are nice and caramelized. Once caramelized, add your beef. And I like to saute my beef until it's brown. There may be some moisture that comes out, so go ahead and drain all of that liquid. Don't forget to season your beef with salt and pepper. And once your beef is cooked, you wanna set your beef to the side of the pot and add your tomato paste. We're just going to cook this tomato paste or toast it for a few minutes. And once it is toasted, you can go ahead and mix it with the meat, and this will give your meat delicious flavor. Once that is mixed, go ahead and add your tomato sauce and your stewed tomatoes. I like to take the back of my spatula and I like to crush the tomatoes with it until my desired consistency. Once this mixture comes to a boil, you want to lower the temperature, and we're going to add the cover and simmer this for about an hour, but don't forget to mix it so the sauce won't burn. While we wait for that, we're going to mix ricotta cheese with garlic powder, salt, Italian seasoning, parmesan cheese, egg to bind it together, and parsley. Mix that together until well combined. And lastly, we are going to season this with a little bit of pepper. Season this to your liking. Don't forget to taste it. Set that aside and let's put our lasagna together. Spray your dish with cooking spray or butter. Add your meat mixture. Add your pasta sheets. And we are going to spread the ricotta mixture on the pasta sheets. We are going to top this off with the cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. This may not be a traditional Italian lasagna, but it's the way I like to make my lasagna. From here, we are going to repeat the layers, which is the meat mixture. Spread that around. The lasagna sheets. The rest of the ricotta mixture. Top that off with some cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. Add the remainder of the meat mixture and add more cheese. Yes, please. Can't go wrong with cheese. We're gonna cover this and we're gonna bake this in the oven for about 35 minutes. Once 35 minutes has passed and your pasta sheets are nice and fork tender, take that foil off and let it bake for another 5 minutes or until the top is nice and golden brown. Garnish it with parsley, and that's how easy it is to make my delicious beef cheesy lasagna. I hope you guys have a fun and safe Happy New Year, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. For my recipes, please check out www.ivyskitchen.net. Until next time, happy cooking!